Hello everyone, so I'm going to be opening this Amazon order, which is the Medieval Blacksmith Shop, but the way I received it is with this white piece of paper taped on the box. And obviously there's dents all over the box and everything. Different, I think one corner was really badly damaged. This corner here. That corner's all chopped up and everything. This corner's probably kind of damaged and yucky, but what really bothers me is this tape, because what if the tape, if Amazon found it with a hole or made a hole in it and then taped it up, put a piece of paper on it and then taped it, why didn't they put a note? Why didn't they say, hey, sorry about the inconvenience, the box was damaged in our warehouse and then shipped to you? Because what if this is a return from somebody and they said it was damaged but actually poked a hole in it, took out some good stuff and then retaped it, and then sent it back to Amazon, and then Amazon sent it to me as a brand new set. I don't want to return this because it was on Black Friday discount. So we're going to open it up. I'm going to angle the camera down a bit so we can see a little better of the bags that I'm going to have to open up, because they told me, I called Amazon and they said, they'll just open it up and we will make a video, and if there's anything majorly wrong with it, then we're going to have to find out. There's supposed to be 14 bags in the box. So which end should I open up? Let's open up this end, I guess. Beautiful set. I wasn't planning on building it. I didn't even want to open it, but it's really hard to ignore that blatant cut or whatever that is, hole or something. I'll maybe look on the inside, but here we go. Anything in there that's not real Lego? Are you real Lego? Yes, I'm talking to my Lego, I know. Does that say Lego on it? Yeah, it says real Lego, so that's good. So it's supposed to be 14 bags. Someone sent me a picture of the set and stuff, so we're going to have to see that. I think I'm just going to dump this and then go from there, Really hope everything's in here. Look at this here. So you can see there's a little bit of some kind of a damage in there. So the box was torn open. It's kind of hard to see, but it was torn open a little bit there, right? All the way to the back there. So, all right, there's that. Here's obviously the instructions. Oh, those are heavy, nice. I'm assuming these are the instructions, so I'm not going to open up that up. Let's put this in order here. I'm also checking each bag to make sure they're not, broken seal or open, right? There's 3. Sorry, the bags are loud. 2. Not sure where this one goes, but we'll figure that out later because it's not numbered. 4. 7. I tell you, I would so love to build this, but I have no room to build it right now. Number 1. Number 9. 8, 9. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 5. There's 6. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then up here we're going to do 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. This is interesting. This is a little bit different style than the other bags, so I wonder if that's a problem. Someone sent me a picture of that. So we have 14 bags and this. So I'm going to try and edit in the picture that someone sent me of their order, but here we go. Seems to be all 14 bags. Ten, 11, and then this bag, plus the instructions. I thought there was something else, but maybe there's not. I'll have to check the little picture and see how it goes, but hopefully there's all here, and I'll edit in the picture of what someone sent me of what their box looked like, because I thought there was random other pieces that are missing as well, or that were loose in their set, so we'll have to see. So there it is. This is Dream Builder 71 signing off. Thanks a lot.